More than half of operators tell us that they want to use AI to optimize their menu, but most of them have not gotten started yet. So in this video, I'll show you 2 prompts that can make tedious work really simple with Toast IQ. Let's take a look. So IQ has already found some pretty concerning things in my menu that I definitely want to fix ASAP. One of them is that this double cheeseburger is actually misspelled. We're missing an E. This is the type of thing that just makes the menu confusing to guests, might make it harder for them to order. Definitely want to have this dialed in, especially for our online ordering guest experience. So in addition to telling us when things are misspelled, IQ can actually fix, save, and publish those corrections directly from here. Now, I did ask IQ to fix this, and you can see that it paused before doing the change to get my approval to make sure it's doing the right thing. But I actually like this. It shows me the old item name and the new one, and I'm gonna click save right here. So in just a minute, I was able to find misspellings, identify them, and actually correct the mistake, all using Toast IQ from my phone on the go.